Thank you for coming to the Kinsey booth, guys. My name is Phil Jennings. I'm the service manager here at Kinsey Manufacturing. We're very excited here at Farm Progress Show with some really new products out here. Right behind me is the Kinsey Mocktail. It's our introduction to the tillage market. It's not vertical tillage and it's not a disc. A high-speed disc, or what we're terming a hybrid horizontal tillage, gives us great tillage with sizing and mixture of the soil, and then an awesome finish not only above but below ground. The Mocktail is going to be available through our Kinsey dealer network in sizes at 20 foot, 26 foot, 33 foot is the machine that we have behind us, and also a 40 foot design. Now, high-speed disc, the hybrid horizontal technology from Kinsey is meant to be run from 8 to 12 plus miles per hour. So that's field efficiency right there. I can use it as a fall tillage option, running it a little bit deeper, but sizing and mixing that residue, helping to get the breakdown that I need and get my nutrients back in the soil. The large roller behind is going to then fix that down so that I have less loss over the winter as well, with the residue left on top. Now, as a spring tillage tool, a little bit lighter as far as the settings, but that speed is going to keep me ahead of the planter, and that top finish is going to be perfect for running a seed bed right into it. So we're very excited at Kinsey with the new Mocktail introduction, and we'll have that available through our dealers yet this fall. Great, we're going to start by looking at the new Kinsey Blue Vantage monitor and then the Blue Drive electric drive. We're very excited at Kinsey to have started our own electronics division. We've used a lot of other suppliers for our technology and control systems in the past. With Kinsey's new electronics systems, we're doing everything in-house, from circuit board level design all the way up through user interface. Our focus is to be Kinsey simple. Take the complex, make it easy. So the Kinsey Blue Vantage display is focused on start to finish, simple and easy. Right now I just powered up my tractor, the display comes on, everything's working. I can choose my farm and field. Second button push, I can double check all of my critical to function settings, population, vacuum settings, etc. Third button push, boom, I'm planting corn. So on those busy days when I just want to plant corn, the Kinsey Blue Vantage system is going to get me there very quickly. Everything on one screen, very simple to look at, very easy to adjust with a simple button push, changing settings, back to the plant screen. But if I want detailed information, Kinsey Health page gives us in-depth look at what's going on that planter. If I press on a row, I've got more information here than you're going to find on any other planter monitor out there in the industry. So the Kinsey Blue Vantage display, simple to operate with more speed and more detail than anything else out there. Kinsey built for Kinsey planters to be the best. Now, we're going to couple with that the Kinsey Blue Drive, our electric drive system. We've put a module on every row that's Kinsey built. We're communicating between those modules with an Ethernet cable. So it's like you use on your computer networks. It's proven, it's reliable, it's industrialized for the environment. And it's not only giving us greater speeds, but greater bandwidth for the information that we're transferring back and forth. So once again, Kinsey built for Kinsey products to make sure that we're going to be the best. And one of our new products that we have on display here today is our True Depth, or hydraulic downforce, for Kinsey planters. There are other hydraulic downforces available on the market today, but what Kinsey has done is to be stronger, more reliable, more consistent with the application. If you look at our hydraulic downforce, the size of the cylinder rod just gives it away right away on the durability that's built into the system. It's a direct bolt-on to both our 3000 series pull row units and our splitter rows, so we can put this on the interplant machines as well, and of course on our 4000 series as shown here. Simple design, single valve, active uplift and downlift, or downforce as well. The display looks similar to what we just came from with our Blue Vantage. Although as an independent display, you're going to notice some similarities. And at a quick glance, I have all my critical to functions shown on the screen, and I can see that my average ground contact is 98, 99, right in that 100% range that I want to see. I have tractor pressure. Everything that I need to see is right there on one screen. What if I want more information? The true depth is going to let us look at applied force, how much is it taking to get in the ground. It's going to let us see what the sensed force is or how much my footprint, so I'm careful of my compaction issues, and it's going to adjust everything on the fly. There is a load link positioned in every one of those row units, so they will each change independently of one another to make sure that I'm getting optimum or true depth with my downforce.